Wait, before you choose veterinary just because you didn't get MBBS, hear me out. Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika, a fourth year veterinary student, and अभी आपका अगर नीट ख़त्म हुआ है and you are thinking क्या veterinary लूँ, MBBS में नहीं मिल रहा है, confusion है, this video is for you. Let's get straight to the point. Veterinary science is not just about cute and fluffy animals or your plan B कि MBBS नहीं मिला, dental नहीं मिला. You will obviously study all the subjects जो MBBS में सिखाए जाएंगे, जैसे कि pharmacology हो गया, anatomy, physiology, parasitology. But then MBBS में हम सिर्फ human beings के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. In veterinary science आपको ये सारे subjects, सारे के सारे subjects हर एक species के लिए पढ़ने पड़ेंगे. That is your dogs, cats, goats, ruminants, एक और फाउल बर्ड्स ठीक है बर्ड्स सो देयर इज मल्टीपल स्पीशीज पिग्स ये सारे स्पीशीज़ के लिए आपको ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने पड़ेंगे एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट डज गेट ओवरवेलमिंग एंड ये सब तभी पॉसिबल है इफ़ यू गाइज आर ट्रूली पैशनेट अबाउट वेटरनरी अबाउट एनिमल्स अबाउट हेल्पिंग देम सी मैनी पीपल डू go in veterinary looking at its business aspect, and obviously there is money in that, no doubt, but then to go through these 5.5 years to study everything for each and every species, it gets tiring. And for me, I wanted to be a veterinarian. I didn't have any other option or any second option. कुछ नहीं था. I wanted veterinarian. I wanted to be a vet. And even मुझे second thoughts आ रहे थे कि this was I think in my second year जब हमें microbiology subject था, and it got so tough for me, and I really love veterinary, okay, and I still had this doubt कि should I continue, is this for me, कुछ याद नहीं रह रहा है, self doubting, not getting enough sleep, not able to manage college and studies and like have a personal life. It was just bad, and trust me, I at least wanted veterinary. Many students get into veterinary just because they didn't get MBBS या उन्हें dental नहीं मिला, and वो एक बार अंदर घुस जाते हैं तो it is just very confusing, very depressing, and it can get depressing for some students. So it is not as fun and chill as you think it is, because if you don't have a liking for that subject, if you don't have a liking for that field, you will eventually get bored. You will eventually feel like that burden, that pressure कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है, but करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि I have chosen this as my career option, which I don't want you guys to do, which I don't want you guys to suffer with. पढ़ाई का okay fine, we'll manage it, हम पढ़ाई कर लेंगे, हम लोगों ने नीट निकाला है, this is not going to be as tough, okay. Many people do come in veterinary thinking कि पढ़ाई हो जाएगी, पढ़ाई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है, हम रट्टा मार लेंगे, all those things. But when you come to 4th year या आप clinics जब join करते हो, आपको वहाँ पर cute से छोटू से animals नहीं मिलेंगे. You will get animals which are wounded, animals जिनके अंदर से बहुत गंदी smell आ रही है, they can bark at you, आपको मारेंगे, and it is not going to be as cute and aesthetic as you thought it would be. It is going to be messy, it is going to be dirty, and you should be at that moment, you should be willing to ठीक है ये animal आया है मेरे पास, all I want to do is help him or any species. You should not be like मुझे ये नहीं करना है कि मुझे हाथ नहीं लगाना है. There is going to be practicals where you'll have to go on farms and आपको per rectal examination कराएंगे, which is gross for many people find it very gross कि हम लोग हाथ कैसे डालेंगे अंदर. It is bad. There's all animals there, सारे buffaloes हैं आसपास, their dung, their urine, it can get very dirty and messy. So this option is not something which you would want to come in if you don't have even the little bit of liking for it. You really need to be passionate about it. You need to be having that craze कि नहीं, I want to do this, मुझे करना है, I want to be a good vet. Only then you'll be able to just get accustomed to the pressure. You will be like ठीक है, दिस होल प्रेशर, ये जो भी प्रेशर मैं अभी फेस करने वाली हूँ या करने वाला हूँ, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वर्थ इट. When you see your animal, और कोई भी केस अगर आप ले रहे हो, and the animal gets better, you will feel that happiness, and trust me, it is worth any pressure. It is actually worth any pressure, but only if you have a liking for it. And yes, veterinary is a growing field. It has an impact. You'll get respect, multiple opportunities, but the only question is, do you really want to become a veterinarian? Do you really want this position, this career as your, this option as your career? Do you really want to be a veterinarian, or are you just trying to fill out the gap that you didn't get into MBBS and kuch to kar lete hai? So before choosing veterinary as an alternative, make sure you're ready to live through it, not just study, not just ratify the whole 5.5 years. Make sure you are ready to enjoy the process. Make sure you're ready to have fun with learning things, learning different diseases, how this thing is not working in this particular species. It can get very, very interesting. And as a fourth year veterinary student, trust me, I have cried, I have went through it all. I am not a topper, okay? I'm not a topper student. I'm not कि full marks आ रहे हैं हर subject में. I am mediocre और topper के बीच में, but then it really doesn't matter. The marks don't matter, at least once you get in the veterinary field. उसके पहले आपको NEET में marks चाहिए. But once you get in there, all you need to do is have that clinical sense, that curiosity कि मुझे जानना है, I want to know about this, I want to know about that, and that will only come naturally if you have a liking for the subject. So that is my last thought. If you really, really want to go in this field, if you are passionate about it, only and only then go for it. Don't go for it just because आपको MBBS नहीं मिला, because trust me, it is not worth it, and you will be wasting your 5.5 years, and I don't want any of you to regret. MBBS अगर पसंद है, give it another try, give it another year, study hard. But if थोड़ा भी अगर आपको है कि नहीं, I don't want to deal with dirty animals या smelly animals, don't go for it. It is not for you. And to be really honest, we need vets who care, who want to give good treatment and care to other animals, not just people with degrees. So make the right choice. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. And if you really like these kind of videos, then please do hit the subscribe button, like my video, and just comment down what kind of videos you would like to see. And thank you so much. I hope you make your choice very patiently and think through it, and just all the best. Bye bye.